everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. It is only a little haul this time because obviously if you'd seen one of my previous, you've seen I've been getting quite a lot and I was actually decided I was done buying things, but sure as eggs is eggs, something catches my eye and I ended up buying and failed within the week of saying no more buying. But let's crack on and open this so you can see what I actually got. So these stamps was the main reason I placed this order, and as you can see they're from Visible Image and these are the new Christmas collection for this year. I actually did say also I was not going to buy any more Christmas because I had so much Christmas that I bought last year and didn't use, so I knew I didn't really need them, but I just fell in love, especially with the Robin and the Father Christmas that's coming up. So this was I don't know is there a name on them, Christmas Robin. Oh God, I'm blind as a bat, it's the bold as brass. And then we've got Let It Snow, and this is lots of snowflakes and you got lots of like falling snow and the sentiment Let It Snow, and that's the size of the stamps. And I really like this as well. It says Distressed Christmas, so you got like lots of writing there which is hard to work out, which is cool. And then I really like this numbers one. Now I could have bought these individually, but Craft Stash actually had them on a special offer if you bought them all the collection, so I got it a lot cheaper plus my 10% off as well, so can't complain. And there's just the back. And this is the one that I'd fallen in love with as well as the Robin, which is the Vintage Santa. It says Season's Greetings, Happy Merry Christmas, and we've got two Santa Clauses there and really good decent sizes. And then we've got Poinsettia Grunge and it says Poinsettia, and we've got Happy Merry Christmas again, so we can mix and match those actually if we really wanted to. And the stamps are there. And then I got this All and Create stamp which was in the sale. It was pennies, I think it was something like £3 or $2.99 I think actually, something like that, so I had to get that because I didn't actually have it. And then I got some alcohol ink cardstock, the Yupo paper I think it is. This is gloss cardstock. I actually thought I got the Yupo, but hey ho, maybe it is because I'm still learning with the ink, alcohol inks. Like I used to use them years ago, but it's all relearning everything all over again. So yeah, so there's 20 sheets in there for me. And then we got this magazine. There was a choice of 3 magazines you could choose from, and I already had the other 2, so I went with this one. So let's open it up and see what you actually get inside. That's it out of the box. Now I'm guessing because they're free, this is a very old magazine. I don't know when it came out. This is summer special, but you can see you got a free embossing folder and then a nice set of floral stamps with some sentiments on as well, so that's nice. And then it's a really thick magazine, this one actually. It's a John Next Door by John Lockwood, and then we've got lots of stuff in here for inspiration. I'm guessing to use the actual free stamps and stuff like that, so I'll have a really good nosy at that one. And to have a quick flick, seem to have a lot of projects in. Oh, we've even got some papers in the centre, that's why it's so thick then, isn't it? I mean, I don't tend to use these papers to be honest, but they might do, you never know. But it just seem to be crammed full of ideas for cards, which I do find a lot of the magazines is more advertising, so that's actually quite cool. I really like that. So yeah, so although this haul is only tiny, I hope you've still enjoyed it and like to see what I got. And if you've got any of these stamps, I'd really love to see what you created. So tag me up on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or on here, it's on YouTube itself. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to say goodbye and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.